You use wildcards in your criteria when you only know part of a value or you need to find values that match a pattern. For example, using pro and an asterisk returns all descriptions that begin with pro. This example matches a pattern, asset IDs that start with R, followed by the letters C through Q, and then the rest of the value. The brackets, dash, and asterisk are the wildcards. The brackets match any single characters inside them, and the dash lets you specify a range of characters. The asterisk after the brackets returns the rest of the value, and if I remove it, I get no results. Now, the other thing to remember is Access supports two sets of wildcard characters. Desktop databases, MDB and ActDB files, use the set on the left, and Access apps, web databases, use the set on the right. And do you see how apps don't let you use the pound sign as a wildcard? That's because apps use pound signs under the hood for something else. You use each set the same way, the syntax is identical, you just use different characters. I'm working in an ActDB file, so I'll use that set of characters, but remember to use the other set when you're working in an app. So you've already seen the asterisk and percent sign, which find all characters at the beginning or end of a value. And for either type of database, you can use brackets to match any characters or a range of characters. For example, if I remove the dash, the query only returns values that contain C or Q. And remember that the dash is how you specify a range of values. You can use the exclamation point or the caret to exclude characters, sort of like a not operator. If I change the criteria to this, I only see asset IDs that don't have the letter B. Finally, if you're working in an MDB or ActDB file, you can use the pound sign to return a single numeric character. For example, two pound signs and an asterisk return all descriptions that start with two numbers. What's more, I'll go back to Design View, and you can see Access has added the like operator. It does that for you whenever it needs to. So that's it for the basics of using selection criteria in your queries, and remember, the course summary has links to a lot more information.